Predictive Policing in Nigeria, an exploratory analysis of law enforcement approaches in Lagos State. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The escalating crime and insecurity in Nigeria require key solutions of advanced law enforcement approaches. Lagos State, being an economic center, has implemented predictive policing, a data-centric methodology for crime prevention and reduction. This exploratory study examines the ability of predictive policing in Lagos State. This study employs a qualitative research design, utilizing in-depth interviews with law enforcement officials, policymakers, and community leaders. The results indicate that predictive policing has facilitated a decline in crime rates in Lagos State, especially concerning armed robbery, kidnapping, and cultism. Nevertheless, the study highlights considerable challenges, such as deficient data management systems, constrained resources, inadequate community involvement, and insufficient training for law enforcement officials. The study emphasizes the necessity for a more collaborative methodology in predictive policing by engaging various stakeholders, such as community leaders, policymakers, and law enforcement agencies. The results of this study hold significant implications for the formulation of effective predictive policing strategies in Nigeria and analogous contexts. The study advocates for the enhancement of data management systems, augmented investment in technology and human resources, and improved community engagement and participation. The results offer significant insights for policymakers, law enforcement agencies, and community leaders aiming to formulate effective strategies for crime prevention and reduction in Nigeria. Introduction. Predictive policing is a new method used by law enforcement to prevent crime using big data and technology. It works by analyzing past crime data to predict where crimes might happen, who might commit them, or who might be affected. This approach aims to help police act before crimes occur. While it offers benefits like better use of police resources and faster response times, it also raises serious concerns. Critics worry that the technology might unfairly target certain communities, especially those already overpoliced, due to biased data. There's also concern about privacy, transparency, and whether these tools actually reduce crime. Predictive policing could shift the focus away from community relationships and toward overly technical methods that don't consider the real reasons behind crime. As this method becomes more popular, it's important to ensure it's used fairly and responsibly, so it helps all communities without making existing inequalities worse. Conclusion. This study looked at how well predictive policing works in Lagos State, Nigeria, by talking to law enforcement officers and examining current practices. Predictive policing uses data to try to forecast crimes before they happen, helping police respond faster and use their resources more wisely. While this method showed some promise, it also faced many challenges. Officers reported issues like poor quality data, outdated information, and limited training, which made the technology less effective. Concerns were also raised about privacy, fairness, and the risk of unfairly targeting certain communities. The study found that for predictive policing to truly work, Lagos needs better technology, more training for officers, and stronger relationships between police and communities. Without these improvements, the system may only treat the surface of crime problems rather than solve their deeper causes, like poverty or unemployment. Overall, predictive policing in Lagos has potential, but it needs major support to be successful. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.